Good morning, my YouTube friend and family. Today is the second day after Thanksgiving, where I'm getting ready to clean my dining room table, and I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna do a DIY project. I'm gonna use my old Christmas tree. So I'm gonna take a couple pieces. Okay, so this is the piece that I cut with my cutter, and I have my scissors. So this is the pieces. See? Now I'm finished fixing the branches, so I'm getting ready to set them on the table. So this is the piece, some fabrics that I bought from Hobby Lobby. I bought 1 yard, then I cut it like into pieces. See, I cut them into pieces, so I'm gonna put one here. Okay, so now I'm gonna lay down my branches. Easy and simple. You don't have to tie them with wire. So after Christmas, it will be easy for you to take them off. That's my couple branches. Yeah, I have those flowers that I bought at Hobby Lobby, so I'm gonna use them, and I'm gonna center them in the middle. See, this is how I'm gonna center them. See, add some color to it. So if you really like what I'm doing, it's inspired you, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below. Thank you.